Hello everybody, John Fulford here. I hope you're doing well in the midst of this coronavirus confusion. If you find yourself at home, home from work, social distancing, you're here at your home studio, what do? Go through the dozens of half-finished songs, the dozens of half-finished cues, the dozens of half-finished sessions, and see if there's anything that you could work on yourself, or maybe send to a friend, and maybe have your friend send a few your way to get some work done, okay? A lot of people have stuff that's half finished on their hard drive for whatever reason they didn't get around to finishing, okay? See if you can finish a couple things. Having 2 or 3 new songs is a lot better than having 0 new songs, especially now when there's so much content being created. I just did a TikTok video for Jumanji, the DVD release of the new Jumanji movie. My next video will be detailing how I got that gig, why I got that gig. So that video is coming up next. But this is just a quick video, even though I don't like using the word just, right? This is a quick video to remind y'all, if you're home, if you're social distancing, if you're home from work, go through your hard drive, see if there's anything that you might want to work on or that you might want to send a friend to work on to get some songs going in the midst of this coronavirus confusion. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks again for watching. Here's some more videos you might like. Don't forget to subscribe and email me musiclicensingpodcast@gmail.com to join the John Fulford YouTube community. See you next time.